Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find and clean mine filter in Electrolux washing machine Perfect Care 600. So in the first step you have to find the flat tool and open the cover in the right bottom corner of the front of your device. As you can see, there have a mine filter, so prepare before the vessel because there is a risk of the water leakage, so put something below the filter, then turn it to the left side. After that you can freely remove the filter and clean it under the water. By this way you can also perform the emergency drying water. After that, close the mine filter by turning it to the right side and close the filter. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.